Sonia, we're on air.
No, we're not. Are we? Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Now, we all see those stylish celebs on the red carpet or in magazines wearing designer threads you know just cost a fortune. From Gucci boots to Chanel bags, they're the luxury items not everyone can afford.
No, we're not. Well, now, Sonia, there's a way to look like $1 million without actually spending $1 million. Stylist Faye De Lanty says it's easy to create your own designer clothes and accessories for a fraction of the price. We're now going to go off air and watch this.
Thousands of dollars for customised designer denim, sparkly bejeweled sunglasses and fancy patchwork handbags. Now, if you don't want to spend that kind of money, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how you can completely customise your wardrobe to make it look like it's come straight from the fashion houses. And P.S., I found everything right here at the Op Shop.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20.
Okay, so rhinestones are a huge trend and they're a great way to totally make an outfit pop. I'm going to show you how you can do it too. So here's the first boot that I've had a go at doing, and what I've actually used is imperfect jewellery and earrings. I found them all here at the Salvos, but you could also have a look in your own collection and see what you've got. You just need to clip off the back of the earring, and then you can just start crafting away. Et voila! Designer-inspired bejeweled heeled boots for a lot less. And you can do the same with sunglasses. So what I've done with these, I found this necklace here at the Salvos. All you need to do is kind of snip little bits off, and then you can use all those little bits to add onto your sunglasses. And there we go. Designer inspired glasses for under 20 bucks. Apparently, bum bags are back. So I've seen them with a lot of the designer brands, so I thought, you know what, I think we can do this for a whole lot less. I found this one for $2. What I did was, instead of gold embellishment, I just found brooches. All you're going to do is find yourself a belt and then grab your glue gun and put a strip of glue across here and pop it on top. Just give it a couple of minutes to dry, and there you go. Designer inspired bum bag. Another big trend is embellished and patchwork handbags. So I've got all these little guys that I can simply just glue on to get the look. A simple second-hand clutch for under 10 bucks with a whole new look. Embellished denim is everywhere. Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, it's all over the catwalk. But I thought, you know what, you don't need to spend that kind of money. So I found this great denim jacket here at the Salvos for 12 bucks. And then I just went to my local craft store and I found these incredible iron-on patches. So all you need to do is just work out where you want to place them on the jacket and then just simply run the iron over it. $12 denim that now has $1,000 style, probably more actually. Chanel is famous for chain, ribbon, pearls, so another simple idea for you is to find a necklace. I found this one here at the Salvos for like $5, but you could also go to a hardware store or a craft store and just pick up some chain, and then all you need to do is just thread the ribbon through the chain. So simple, yet super chic. It really doesn't need to cost a fortune.
Dave, we're on air.
What?